Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Tino and I'm a dietetic intern here at CSS, and today we're going to be making Tuscan chicken with our very own Crockpot. For this recipe, you're going to need chicken, seasoning, minced garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, diced onion, artichokes, spinach, and some bread. So let's get started. First, we're gonna put liner into our Crockpot in order to make the cleaning process afterwards much easier. Next, we're gonna put chicken into the Crockpot and sprinkle some seasoning over the top. The next step, we're going to add the minced garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, diced onion, and artichokes. And feel free to include the liquid from the can of the artichokes and the oil from the jar of sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to be cooking this recipe on the low setting for about 4 hours. Once 4 hours go by, we're going to add our spinach and close the lid. And you want to cook the spinach for about 10 minutes. After that, you're all done. You can serve the recipe with some crusty bread. So here we have Janice and Conrad putting this into practice, and you can see our ingredients: chicken, onion, garlic, artichokes, sun-dried tomatoes, and spinach. And so the first step we're going to do is put the liner inside of our Crockpot. Next, put the chicken in, and you can use your fingers to sprinkle on the seasoning. And the same thing goes with the minced garlic and the diced onions. And as you can see, Conrad is doing a great job spreading it all out. Next, we're going to add the artichokes, and you can feel free to add the liquid from the can. And the same goes with the sun-dried tomatoes. Go ahead and put them all in there, as well as the oil from the jar. Make sure you spread it all around. That way the flavor of the dish gets distributed evenly among the whole Crockpot. Next, be sure to place the lid securely on the Crockpot and set the cooking temperature to low and cook for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, you can go ahead and add the spinach, and just be sure to stir it around. That way you can fit the whole bag inside the Crockpot, and you'll want to cook it for 10 minutes. After that, you are all set and ready to enjoy your meal. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you have fun using your Crockpot. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.